Do you still worried how to find a best partner to working for your sanitary business? There are so many factories and companies in China which can offer you many kinds of sanitary products, but also we should to ensure our quality, right? So I think Veron will be your best partner. And why we think we can be your best partner? We have following reasons. First of all, we are very long history in Turkey, and also we have our own factory in China. And for these models, many we are opening the mold by ourselves. Well, you can see, but some samples we are just go to take photos. So some samples are not here. But as you know, for this handle, we really for one model, and we can produce this many sizes for you. And for our handle, we usually use the best raw materials, and you can see it is no spot. And also inside we can print your own logo, your logo model, and your number of size or your brand name. And for showers, maybe you have your own design, you can send to us. For example, for this pink model, I think you may have seen in Turkey and also in China. Yes, this is very popular. And this model is opened mold by ourselves. So when you see many sell these models, actually they are taken from our factory. And for this model, I have doing some special design for our customer. For example, this, you can see clearly, yes, about how to use it and how to operate it, and its advantages. We both do the design in package. So if you have any thought, you can tell me, and what you want to express to customer, I will doing the design for you in package. And we have very professional designer team working for a project. So every customer's project, we will focus on its requirements and its advantages. So I hope you can choose us. And anyway, most of our customers think highly of us because they speak highly of us because they know our price is very best and really competitive in their country, especially in Turkey, in some Arabic countries. So I hope you can send some inquiry to me, and you will know how we work for you, and I think we can work so well.